Hello, crafty friends. Yana Smakula here, and I wanted to pop in real quick and show you a new storage product in my craft room. This is something new from Spellbinders. This is their Spellbinders Storage Box. Very, very simple name. Now, this might seem similar or familiar to you because this looks very, very similar to their previous storage compartment box, which I have shared on my channel in the past. But these products are, while similar, they have their differences and they can be used for storing different products. So let me take this one out of the packaging. So first of all, you can see that this is bigger, not, twice bigger in size, but still quite a bit bigger than the original one. Now I do have a bunch of those original storage compartment boxes, and I use them for storing mostly my wax seal products and my wax beads. This is like my travel wax beads storage box. I just pop a little bit of wax beads in different colors and I take them with me when I need to go to a store or to a show and demo. This is very convenient. This box itself, and so are these boxes, they're very lightweight. They're made from plastic. They're not metal. So they're very lightweight and they don't add a lot of weight to your luggage. For me, for example, I will fly to a show. So, the weight of my luggage is important. So this is very lightweight and obviously it will weigh more when you add products inside, but not, not too much. So here I have mine. I have 5. So I have one with wax seals, another one with the wax seals, and then the pens. This one I have started filling in with other seals and I have a handle in here. And then I also have this one. And then again, this one with the wax beads. Now, this or these storage boxes, you can take some of the dividers out in case you need to have a different configuration. Like you can see here, I've taken these 2 compartments or dividers out to create a longer compartment for a handle. And also I've changed this one so I can include pens. So these compartments are removable. Not all of them, like these horizontal ones, they're there. You can remove them, but you can remove these vertical dividers. Again, not all. Like these 2, you won't be able to remove, but like these, you can. So you can sort of configure this box to match whatever products you have and whatever products you need to store inside. This other box, on the other hand, nothing can be taken out. This is like, it's non-configurable, but if you look here, you can also kind of see that like the lid has grooves, and these grooves, they're designed to lock over the dividers. So this box would be very good for storing little loose pieces like sequins, because you really wouldn't want to put sequins in here because they can kind of fall out. With the beads, it's not much of a problem because beads are big, but this would be perfect for storing sequins and, any sort of small embellishment that you might have in your stash. I have some of my Spellbinders sequins in baggies. I also have some from Simon, and I want to go ahead and organize them real quick in this little storage compartment, and I'll show you what it looks. Okay, I filled it out, and I did a quick little test shake to make sure that nothing falls out, and nothing fell out. So things stay nice and in place. The only thing is when you open it and if you have things stuck to the lid because of the static, they might, fall into different compartments, but that's only if you have too much and maybe if you shake your box too much. So if you travel, for example, with your box and it gets shaken during the travel process, in that case, yes. I'll also say you probably don't ever want to drop this when it's not closed because that's going to be a disaster. But other than that, I kind of really like this little storage system, little compartment. It is going to save me space in terms of organizing my little sequins. And now because I also kind of have these all, like on display, right? So I can open this and take a look at all of the colors. I can see the different colors at a glance, and hopefully this will make it easier for me to pick the right color and use my sequin embellishments more. And this also helped me organize my little sequin drawer, which was a disaster, so yay for that. I have a link to this little storage compartment in my video description below.